how are you today? And welcome to Letscookolet. Today I'm going to show you how I make a shrimp lo mein. Yes, it's a Chinese dish. It's a yummy dish to make, and I'm in the mood for Chinese food today. So for the lo mein, you can use a lo mein noodle if it's available. If not, any egg noodle will do the job. Make sure when you buy the lo mein noodle, they're very long, so always better to cut it in half. And of course you're gonna bring your water to boil, but before we put the noodle, I did trim my vegetables here. So instead of buying the broth, I'm gonna make my own broth at the same time. As you can see here, the trimming from the carrot, pepper, onion, and the ginger. So I'm gonna put it in the water. And this is my favorite strainer. It does very good job for me. And now I'm gonna add the noodle. And the noodle doesn't take time, about 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Here we go. And when you're making the lo mein, always make sure your vegetable is chopped and ready in the plate, because everything can be overcooked so quick. So thinly sliced carrot, and then we're gonna cut it julienne. Fresh ginger, fresh garlic, smash and chop, red pepper, thinly sliced, bok choy, a green onion or scallion, noodles are ready. Perfect. Straight to the ice bath, and we're gonna let the water simmer here because this is our fresh broth. Put on a side. And now we're gonna mix the sauce and have the sauce ready for it as well. So I'm gonna start with oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, of course black pepper. Give it a little mix. Here we go. Sauce ready, vegetable chop. Now for the noodle on the plate. And a little bit vegetable oil. And let it sit on the side. And now the fun time. So your stove on a medium high, and we're gonna start cooking. Vegetable oil. I'm gonna start with the ginger and the garlic. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp. That way the shrimp get all the flavor from the ginger and the garlic. Perfect, the shrimp is almost ready. Now I'm gonna add carrot, red pepper, and the bok choy, little bit salt and black pepper. Now I'm gonna add the vegetable broth here from the pasta water. Add the noodle, the sauce we mix, and let it cook for 1 minute and good to go. A few seconds before you turn off your stove, I'm gonna add the green onion. And I have here some bean sprout that I forgot to tell you about it. Nice. Look good, smell good, turn off and ready to serve. Seriously, it doesn't make you hungry? Oh my god, it looks so good. Now, let's give it a try. Wow, what a meal. Shrimp lo mein, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.